get started, I'm not gonna keep doing this unless you smash the like button and please subscribe, turn on notifications. Well, I'm not doing it anymore, plain and simple, all right? We got 2018 Cadillac ATS in here, right? It's got a 2.0 turbo motor. So what we did for this guy was we tried to make him a pretty aggressive yet clean system. So turbos do not get that loud. So the only setup we're really putting on this car is a mid-body magnaflow resonator. We left all of his stock pipes up front because it's a great diameter. He doesn't really need to upgrade it unless he's going a bigger turbo or something. We left all the stock pipe, tried to save him some money, swapped out his stock resonator for a magnaflow resonator. Technically it's called a magna pack, as you can see right there. And then we did a custom Y pipe here for him in the back. We upgraded the size of the tailpipes to 2 1/4, and then we put some dope 4-inch carbon fiber tips. Let's fire it up and see how she sounds. I bet it won't be as loud as y'all think.